Well, hello, and welcome to the systematic trading videos. Today I'm going to discuss an interesting topic that it was one of the observations that I made is there trouble brewing in the market? And can I use the systematic trading to unmask it? So, before I dive in, so again, welcome to the systematic trading educational videos. You can have more. Just watch on this channel. I will be posting more videos. And quick disclaimer, whatever I'm discussing, still take it with a grain of salt. You do your own due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor. Now, here's the thought. Again, I use this observation because I've been trading systematically for the past 5 years, and Lawrence has been trading for the past, what is it, almost 20 years now. And we've done this observation. I've seen it in my systems that I can anticipate what the market is going to do just based on the positions that I'm in or the things that my systems are firing, because they are basically becoming some like as if an advisor for me for to make a decision. So I said to myself, is it possible to observe based on just one or two systems or several systems if I can anticipate something is happening behind the scene? So that's what I'm trying to uncover in this very short video. So as I was developing one of the mean reversion protective systems, and the reason why they're protective, so they're protecting us when the market turns down. So this is the sections when it's protecting. As an example, in 2008, when the market goes down, the system goes up. Actually, I should have highlighted the 2000 year. Again, the market goes down, we go up. Same thing happened in the COVID time. Same thing happened in 2022. You can see that the market turned down, this go things up. So that's a protective behavior. But that's not what I noticed as I actually developed the system. That's expected, basically, right? That's what the objective for the system was. And it's a very simple system. And if somebody is interested, contact me and we can talk about it and see the rules for it. It's very simple. It uses the S&P 1500 composite performance. So first 1500 by the cap stocks of the U.S. stock market. So what I also noticed is the following. This little sections, the market is making new highs, or maybe like start to go sideways, but making new highs. And as it makes new highs, the system is starting to make new highs too. Like here, you can barely notice in 2015, but the market is like making new highs. As you saw, it was making new highs, making new highs, making new highs. But then as it got to this point, it's like as if you start to anticipate that there's something is brewing behind the scene. Because the market, in this case, I'm using the S&P 1000. So it's the 1000 stocks after the first S&P 500, because I don't have the S&P 1500, but it's close approximation to S&P 1500 composite. So it consists of lots of stocks, right? It's a blend of these different stocks, and they have different weight. And then the ETF or the index, which is representative of that market, shows you that blend of how they work. But sometimes that blend is led a lot by just a few stocks, and the majority of the stocks might be falling off the cliff. So this is what's happening over here. Like some indication, like leading to 2022, this is 2021, the market is making new highs, but this section behind the scene, a lot of stocks are having lots of false starts. They go up and then they go down. This is what the mean reversion short does. And look at the 2024. So if you look more closely over here as a zoom in section, the market into 2021 to 2022, actually 2023 right here, into the 2024, you can see how the market is making new highs, and yet the system starts to pick up the steam, which means that behind the scene, a lot of stocks are not doing all that great. This is exactly what's happening right now with us as well. So actually, since 2024, the behind the scene, a lot of stocks were already kind of in the wrong, doing the wrong thing behind the scene. They are going up with the market and then hooking it down. And that is why this particular system is winning. You can see how it's helping to win. And I mean, right now it's actually not that winning too much, but that's another indication that maybe we're finally stabilizing a little bit more in our current market condition. But that just told me that I can use something like that to just anticipate. So if I have some longer term, like a more discretionary based investing, not trading, which is short term, but more investing, and I have the outlook, should I invest the money in or should I not? This could be an indication that maybe not the time to invest the money yet, right? The time to invest the money when this system goes sideways or start to go down. That's the time to invest the money, not the time when the system is making new highs. As it makes new highs, they're like, this market is shaky. It may actually drop, right? So that's my little conclusion for this particular system as a leading indicator or as a behind the scene uncovering mechanism. But I can also use other systems for that. And as I said, I observed it on my own personal suite all the time that there are some things which tell me that, oh, I'm loaded more and more on the long-term trend following longs, which is the more of a long biased systems. As I'm getting loaded more and more, it means most likely that we're finally picking up steam and the market is going to take off soon. Even though, let's say, it's going sideways. So it means that I'm picking up more and more of the rallies or breakouts from the stocks. Or like with this particular system, when it's a mini version short, it means there are lots of false rallies, but eventually the stocks actually fall, and that's why this particular system is making money. So it's just a very interesting observation that I literally kind of like formulated today as I thought about, that's an interesting thing as I was developing the system. So why don't I just talk about it on this short video? Otherwise, if you have any questions, as always, leave a message to send a message to the actual info@tradingsystems.com, or if you really want to know how it all can work for you, book a call. There's no consequence of booking the call other than trying to talk to me directly, one-on-one, and speaking about your personal situation. So don't be shy, book a call, and let's talk. Otherwise, see you next time. Bye.